There are some distinct idiosyncrasies between North American racing and the rest of the world: the UK and Ireland flat and hurdle racing, Scandinavian and Australian harness racing, and flat racing from Australia, Hong Kong, and South Africa, to just highlight a few. Wagering on thoroughbred racing in North America. You're immune to the breaking of stride that plagues harness race wagering. However, in the UK and Ireland, for example, you may wager on hurdle racing, where thoroughbreds must jump many hurdles and may, at any hurdle, may fail to negotiate it.
A term you should learn is an each-way bet, which consists of two bets of equal cost: a win bet on your selection to win an event and a place bet on it to finish within a certain number of places specified beforehand.
Many countries have the omni or swinger wager that requires you to have two horses in the first three, in any order. Very few of these countries have a multi-leg wager like the pick 3 or pick 4. They may have one multi-leg wager known as the quad pot, which usually climaxes in the last race or sometimes in the sixth race if there are more than 6 races on the card. The place pot is even wilder. Hong Kong has some rather unique bets which stretch over multiple races but are very complicated to catch and designed to remove funds from your bankroll. We'll look at these later.
The list of places where you can find wagers of this nature is shortened than the others, because European racetracks, where you find omni wagers, are not big fans of the multi-leg wager. North America prefers that. In the new world of internet horse wagering, multi-leg wagers and omni bets will be just one new combination heading to most. Trios, double trios, quad wagers, and many more exotic combinations are available around the world and just waiting to separate you from your bank account. Keep it simple, sir or madam. Pick 3 to omni to cashier. Can you imagine cheering on all 6 of your horses in a 15 or 20 horse race? You only need any 2 of them to be in the first 3 for you to get your first payout. If you have 3 of those 6 in the money, you will receive a triple payout. 3 combinations will pay out on the same ticket. Let's hope the longer odds came in. Woohoo!
Quad pots are similar to the North American pick 4 wager, but with some serious differences. The number of places on offer in each race depends on the number of runners. But like the North American version, it can take a lot of combinations to catch. What is revealed is the smart money in the final leg. At most UK tracks, that's the 6th race and the only race you will see a multi-leg wager.
To win a share of the quad pot pool, you need to find a horse to place in races 3 to 6 at any meeting. The number of places in each race depends on the number of runners in the race. For races of 4 horses or fewer, only the winner will do. Races with 5 to 7 runners will accept one of the top 2 places. In a race with 8 or more runners, the first 3 will do. The first 4 home are counted as placing in handicaps with 16 or more runners.
PlaySpot requires you to choose a horse to place in each of the first 6 races at a race meeting. This bet must be placed before the racing starts. The toe PlaySpot is a type of pool bet particularly popular with horse racing bettors.
At any race meeting, you can choose 1 or more horses to place in the first 6 races on the card. A total of 3 places are paid if there are 8 or more runners in the race. If a race has 4 or fewer runners, then your horse must win. The optional 16 plus does not seem to apply to PlaySpots as it does to the quad pot. The total amount bet on the PlaySpot by punters goes into a pool. The tote takes 27% of the total pool, which is redistributed to the sport of horse racing, and 73% is split between the winners. You may choose to partake in perm betting, where you can pick more than 1 horse in a race. This is calculated by multiplying the number of selections in each race, then multiplying this number by your stake.
Play spot payouts in the final leg can be used like pick threes and have the smart money wagered.
Handicapping Hong Kong racing can be difficult. They will provide you with a free program, but the amount of tangible information available on any horse is minimal. With this minimal tangible information, intangible factors are needed to make your selections from up to 24 contenders. Now, based on that, picking a triactor would be difficult to say the least. That's too easy for Hong Kong. Try the double trio. You only need first, second, and third in any order in each of the 2 nominated races. Still too easy? The triple trio is for you, first, second, and third in any order in each of the 3 nominated races. That take mercy on you if you correctly select the first, second, and third horses in any order in the first 2 legs of the 3 nominated races. Give him the consolation. Would you be able to handicap a 6-up? First or second in each of 6 nominated races and try for the 6-win bonus, first in each of the 6 nominated races. The place accumulator is like a survivor contest. You supply a horse in each of 6 races and your horse must finish in the money or you are eliminated.
Good luck. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on seasonal track changes and opportunities to find that low-hanging fruit. It's harvest time.